Somebody with anointing.
Do you know what that means? It means in Nigeria, everybody, irrespective of what anybody says. Look at Nigeria today. Nigeria is not working. Everybody is angry. Nothing is working. The road is not working. Kidnapping everywhere, insecurity. Everywhere is the order of the day. We cannot continue like this. Look at Dubai of yesterday. Dubai is a desert land. Look at countries like South Africa, Kenya. They've overtaken Nigeria with so many miles. Nigeria is not going anywhere. We're just going on a roundabout. How can we continue like this? We have suffered enough. In a country where we have mineral resources, we have gold, we have bauxite, we have iron ore, we have petroleum. Nothing is working. No refinery is working. How do we continue like this? We want the leader that will salvage this nation. Enough of the corruption. Not the one that will come and use English and fight corruption.
Enough!
Yes. Fight corruption in deed and in truth.
Yes.
Who is in himself not
Yes.
corrupt.
And now we have yes. Yes. And now we have verified
Peter Obi has conquered greed. Peter Obi has conquered greed. You know something that struck me the other day. I think that was just there. When someone asked him, what will you do to really defend our vote when people come out to vote for you? He said something. He said that some people are still thinking that they are actually voting for Peter Obi. That you are not voting for Peter Obi. That you are voting for yourself. That is why you really need to stand there, defend. That's what I want to encourage you as every one of us. We are the people. We are the people.
We are the structure. We are the structure.
By the people.
We are supposed to be.
I am later now work for the people.
Yes, we are the electorate.
Stand there and
vote for the office of the president.
To me.
Do you know why?
Yes.
Who among the politicians in Nigeria can make this statement? If I ever misuse a fund in my time in government, I'll stop campaigning. Who? Nobody.
Who can say go and verify?
Peter Obi is the only person that will say go and verify. Peter Obi is the only governor that has 700 million naira pension.
Yes, it's a crime.
For a lie.
Yes, it's a crime.
Yes, and you are telling me it's not a sense. Go and bring out your check daddy. Let him come and defend it. PO for president.
I am running for the office of the president under Peter Obi.
Nobody has come out of many years
Nigeria, we are saying no.
to prove Peter Obi wrong. It is one thing that has been
Even when he says go and verify.
Peter Obi will tell you, after saying that he will tell you to go back and verify and confirm with that what he's telling you is truth or false. We know all about
My father's generation.
Because they will see something that will be wrong. They will call it right. They will see right. They will call it wrong. I know.
I don't care to know. Peter Obi is the princess of Nigeria. Peter Obi is the princess of Nigeria.
Yes.
You hear me?
We are only waiting. We are only waiting.
Listen, I don't care to know. Peter Obi is the princess of Nigeria. First, don't care to know. He's the princess.
My father's generation, they failed in letting a man to capture a state. Now this generation are crazy to say no to that man that wants to capture a whole nation simply because he succeeded in my father's generation to capture a state. We are saying no.
No.
Number one, not from my government. If not because of religion, I'm a Muslim.
Oh, I love that.
I'm not supposed to vote for Peter Obi. If not to talk of tribe, ọmọ Yorùbá tàtà ni mí.
I love you.
Babatunde Ayédùndámilọ́lá lórúkọ mi. I'm not supposed to vote for Peter Obi. But you see one thing about this man, he make me follow him. Despite it's not my tribe, despite it's not my religion. The man knows how to attack everybody, how to carry everybody along. If you like abuse, Peter Obi will reply you with intelligence.
Yeah.
Peter Obi no go ever
insult you.
The man is sweet me for body.
He go insult
He become my president.
I cannot wait.
Yeah. You must know your
I have never voted before in my life.
You feel wrong.
This is election period. And a lot of politicians are coming out to make different promises. Right? It's just like in 2015. Political promises, beautiful ones. That's why this time around, the election is about character. The person of Peter Obi has proven beyond that. That he is a man who stands by his word. We don't want people who just come out and make stupid promises. Multiple promises that they have no intention to achieve one. Peter Obi is a man who has done it. Listen to me. In Nigeria today, a man as popular as Peter Obi, and yet no politician has been able to come up with one thing against
One
him.
thing, come on,
We
one
can
thing.
see the way Atiku and if they had something against Peter Obi, I
Let them come out.
they would have brought it out and they would have disgraced Peter Obi. But this man is a
Atiku is supposed to be here.
Nigerians, all the time we've been going to church to pray for change. All the time we've been going and disturbing pastors to pray for change. This is the answer to our prayer. If we meet this opportunity, may we never have a God to say that we miss Buhari.
Thank you so much. This is our power, and we are saying, and now you can hear every youth saying the same thing.
Enough is enough!
Saying enough is enough.
Let una no vex. You get another point. Make una no vex. You get another point. So I want to give abeg, give am. If na to talk about God, make una wait abeg.
I remember I let you guys talk.
If na to talk about God, let's be very, very sincere. Obasanjo is a Yoruba man.
Yes.
He's from South West. Followed by Ahmad Musa Yar'Adua. He said, followed by Goodluck Ebele Jonathan in the South. Followed by Buhari. I beg, any East. I didn't know part of this.
They are Nigerian.
I beg,
It matter. What matter is the national cause. We are all fighting for. We will stand.
He's one of a kind. We need him. Without you, are nothing.
So this is, guys, you can see I'm leaving now and there, but I'm going to go. Hello. Oh, okay. How are you? What's your name? Charity. Nice to meet you. Yeah. So guys, I'm going backstage now. I'm going backstage. Shegun. Okay.
I see you on air every time. That's like today. Come, let's take a shot. Wait, John.
Which people be this one?
That happens in the vent also.
Friends. They don't get paramedics. So you're live, you know that.
Yeah, this is the man we see online every time talking about Peter Obi. We are here with him live. He's a good guy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, live.
So what's happening there? They say somebody faint.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Amsterdam. Thank you, guys. So I'm trying to. Please, everybody, like. How come no much people they like the video now? What's happen? You see, as they sweat like Christmas goats. Come, who is blocking the gate? Where? Okay, guys, I'm trying to, before we start, I think His Excellency is about 2 hours away. His Excellency is about 2 hours away, so he's going to join us quickly. But before we do, let me quickly show us something. So this is the backstage. Obviously, it needs to be cleared to be here. Hello, everyone. So let's see. Hold on. Oh. Are you okay? Don't worry. I'll give you 0708. Let me bring one person. I'm looking for Sheikh.
Okay. 07.
0708 004 2206. 2206. Okay. So, guys, you can see this is well done. This is live. What we're going to do is we'll leave this. I'm going to leave this to stand for a while, right? So let's leave this to stand for a while so we can be capturing the people, then I'll come. Come. That thing, everything you put here, we removed last night. You can only put it here or the other side. Because this one, it will block the people here, so we don't need anything here. You need to get it out, please. We're already late. So guys, for those asking what is happening, Chairman, how you doing? Yeah. For those asking what's happening, this is the Lagos Labour Party Obi-Datti presidential rally happening live in Lagos State, right? So this is Lagos State. So it will be easy for us to understand what's happening here. So we are still live here at the TBS. This is Mazezoke here live. Then the Media TV here live presenting to. Sorry, I'm trying to change my tripod. So this is Lagos. I know that the Agbado Master will be in his house now. He'll be doing some because he will be so shocked about what he's seeing. What he's seeing here is unbelievable. This is what we call total shutdown. You know? This is what we call total shutdown. That's what's happening now. Hold on. I don't need to go to the sun because if I do, the thing will be so hot. Okay. I just changed mine. So,
Yeah, it's actually on. I said come to the front. I'm in the front.
so that's Mazi here. I'm at the backstage facing the crowd. So what this means, people, we will go live. This is me streaming this with my phone. My team, let me show you. You can see the cameras over, there is the camera stands there. These are for my team, and we are setting up. So by the time I stop, don't go away. All you need to do is like. All you need to do for us is like, share, and subscribe. Because the moment you do that, when we go live, you're going to, get a notification that we are live. Today is the last scheduled rally for the Labour Party and for P2B. So today is a special day. The day before yesterday was in Abuja. Today is a special day. I may as well, for you guys to see the crowd that I speak about, I may as well back the cloud here, so you can see them in my back. So why today is very, very, very special is the last day of the campaign rally, and because it's the last day of the campaign rally, what happens is we are having a carnival. We will start with some musical carnival. We will have a J. Martins perform. We will have some Yoruba Fuji Bank perform. We will have a Peace Square perform. Don't be surprised. Maz says, okay, might also perform. Stay with us. We have close to 400 people watching on Facebook, on YouTube, and we only have 92 people. Come on, people, now see. Even as I sweat like this, like Christmas good. Come, my brother. So we are live. Just say hello to the world.
Hey.
What we are doing here.
Yes, hello. This is Lagos now.
This is Lagos.
Mega rally in Lagos. Let's show them how it's done.
That's it. So, no, this is not a rally. This is a carnival.
Yes,
It is a carnival.
it is across
That's how
town.
we roll.
Did you all see what PO is doing at Alaba? Did you see the people there?
Alaba is shut down.
Shut down.
Alaba is shut down. So guys, only 108 people liking this shit. Come on now. I feel like I stop. I go stop. Now my data. All you need to do is just give us some pure water stuff and just click the like button. That's all. So thank you guys. So guys, there is the Agbado boys. There is something I've been informed now that the Agbado boys are somewhere at Jakonde with machete. You see, they are trying to create confusion. But here, we must tell them that we are peaceful people. If not for anything, that's the thing we have learned from our principle. When he throw lemon at him, he makes a lemonade out of it, right? So here, we are going to show them that we are, we are very, very calm people. With their machete, we will take the machete from them. We won't strike them. We will show them love. But in showing them love, we will make sure they are in Krikiri until after the election. So guys, show me love now. I don't try. I don't try. See as I sweat. I don't try now. Show me love. Just love me. Like. Agbado boys, come, carry machete. Because what they are seeing is organic. It's what people are interviewed before. I can go and interview the people again. Everybody is saying nobody gave them mobilization. People paid as far as 5,000-6,000 just one way to come. And nobody, no mobilization, no nothing. It's organic. All of us, I fly the world. You know what it means? Fly international. Everywhere you go, pay your hotel bills on your own. You can only do it when you love something. But many of us, let me say this for the first time on this platform, many people don't know, many of us actually got offered other camp. And when I say offered something, in real deal of millions, that you can get me nice houses and good cars. But the question you have to ask yourself, if you take money and sell your soul, how long will you consume and enjoy that money? Some people will say, Maz, you're stupid. They offered you good money. You didn't take it and you're working pro bono. Yes, I do. Pro bono. For what? For a good and a better Nigeria. When people condemn those that they call the agitators, you see, the reason why they agitate is very simple. It's because they do not feel a sense of ownership. I have Yoruba people here. I will go back to them, telling me that P2B has made them feel proud of Nigeria. These are people, ordinarily they will say Yoruba Nation now, Tinubu, they will say Yoruba Nation now. Or my brothers, who will say is Biafra now or never. But everybody is becoming obedient. It's very simple why they are doing that. Because when you give people hope, in fact, people say, I go, guy. Make una they use super stickers now. See as I they sweat. Use super stickers and super chat. I go beg now. We are here in Ikoyi. I lodge at Ikoyi because it's just a couple of minutes away from my hotel. We pay hotel bills on our own. We pay flight tickets on our own. It can only happen when you believe in something. So guys, let's do something. Let's do an exercise. Let's engage. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me where you're watching from. If you're lucky, I'll read your comment. Show me love. In fact, anybody will show me, oh, thank you. Bless you, Jaja. Bless you. Bless you for that CAS 1.99. Thank you very much. Obi made me proud to be a Nigerian. Listen, while we were in Frankfurt, Germany, when this is law, this is a strong man. From Arondi Zone. Somebody was kidnapped in my front.
You are in town.
I know me.
I was chatting with
Chadon.
I didn't know you were in town.
And I'm live. So guys, you see what I'm talking? These are people who believe in the movement. Police is law. Guys, you see the love here. Organic love. So let me move to the people. Show me love. Say, where are you watching from, guys? Let's move. What's the problem? Oh, okay. So, where are you? Yeah, your Twitter babes. Are you? How obedient are you? What's your name? Introduce yourself with your name. Martin Yusuf.
Yes. My name is
Muiwa. And the obedient.
Up to my village.
Very good.
If I see umbrella, run. See, run. But when you see Papa, Mama, you do like
So I think, guys, Can you hear me? Because I think whenever I receive a call, it cuts. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Can someone confirm that they can hear me? Can someone confirm that you can hear me? Okay, you can hear me. Thank God. Okay, thank you. Yes, confirm. Now, do one more thing for me. I'm looking for my staff members. I greet you. I'm looking for my staff members. Just do one thing for me. Hit the like button. These are men. These are men working. I know. The crowd management committee. Well done, you see? Yes. Okay, now you're speaking live to the world on Njenje Media TV. If you're not following us, Facebook, YouTube, check Njenje Media TV. Follow us, you can see our stream live. And the official streaming of this is also on our platform, so you can share afterwards. So, what's your name and you're the organizing the crowd committee?
My name is Dominic Islati. I'm from Eden. And we have a big
We can see.
we are not going to be here. So we want the security. Controlling the crowd. To make sure that it's peace. Somebody. Everyone of us here.
Well done. You see, people everywhere show. Look. Everyone show. Come on. We never start. It can't be like this. Oh, thank you for the super chat. Imam Effium, thank you very much for the super chat. So guys, look at the guys playing here. And they feel you, and they hear you. Good man. You see the guy. The organic nature of this is like 7-Up. You know they mix them. So guys, share the stream. Let us get up to 1,000 now. Come on. What's your name? What's your name, madam? Asalok is go. I beg, dance for Bina. So who wants Mazi to dance? Who wants Mazi to dance in front of camera? Is he all the obedience? Nice to meet you. Hey, my pleasure meeting you. Yeah. So you are the SA to the governorship candidate of Labour Party in Lagos State. So what's your impression about the crowd today? saying that it means that what they do face of Lagos, ready to change the face of Lagos. So that our brothers, thank you very much. Thank you. So if you're not following us, go to the Media TV. So done. Guys, see who I have here. This is my brother. This is Yadusha.
Yes, so.
You know what they do here?
Yes, so.
I say we don't shut Lagos.
Yes, we are shutting down Lagos and they are afraid. They are attacking our people from Ojo, from Dakonde, from Maryland, under the third mainland bridge. But guess what? Our people will not stop. This is the time that Nigerian one has come.
Exactly.
We are very peaceful. They've destroyed a lot of cars. They've destroyed a lot of motorcycles. They've even stabbed people. Some of them are in the hospital. But guess what? We will keep on moving. So you that are staying at home, don't stay at home. This is the time to get yourself, emancipate yourself from the circle of poverty. Obi-Datti have said they are going to move Nigeria from consumption to production, from unemployment to employment, and from insecurity to a secured nation. So come out and mobilize, support Peter, Gregory, Mwamusi, Obi-Datti, Baba, Amen. Peace.
Well done. So guys, you see, that is the energy with which we grow. Listen, we're general. Hold on, we're general B. I see him now. So, guys, I hope say una dey feel the energy. Huh? I hope say una dey feel the energy. Everything scatter so that I don't even see my staff members. Huh? I see him now. Shegu, where have you been? Huh? I look now. You are the look for since now. So how far are we finishing the? Are these the cameras?
Yes, but we need to save the sun.
Okay. So when are we going live? Anyway, you are live now. This is Shegu, the head of the media now. So he's the one. Whenever you see me, hey, come. See the man they couldn't arrest. Mazoji, thank you. See, but we don't know because I'm live. I throw a salute, sir. Hold on. Okay. Sorry. I'm live. Speak to us first. We will arrange your interview. We can do it tomorrow. Princess, stop nothing. Yesterday. Una no give me hotel now. See, una they do.
You get ticket, Abi. You fly, they fly you. I buy my ticket, I pay my hotel myself.
Wahala
I pay my tickets myself.
He was lucky. He was lucky. He was the only person I got this info. This is a lucky man. So they give him a shop.
Me, I bought myself. Hello.
Fred, where will give you money? Huh? You know the airline where I give you yesterday, yeah?
No. I actually saw it. But no. I saw it.
If I knew now,
no, I saw it, but I didn't want to fly it.
Why?
But that time, no. That last year, they messed me up. I didn't want to fly, but
this one airline.
Yeah.
Okay. So, sorry? Yes.
Okay, massive too.
Hey, see them. Carry you, they go where you don't know. How you do? You civil servant, okay, make we remove camera. How you doing? Because if I take my camera. Okay.
Imam,
Guys, you see them. And these are our security men. These men are the reason why we have a safety here. We greet you. That's Saladin, sir. It's we greet them. How you doing? I greet you. You see, these are the men where they give us security. I see. Anyhow, now they look up. If you now want to see Mazi dance, Mazi can dance. So. When I want to see me dance, Mazi is dancing, but you won't see me dance. If you now support us in a way that will make us crazy, then you can see Mazi dance on camera. You see how they flow? When they see this is obedient family. We are not violent. Obedient all the way. That's right. Make I show you small.
As for assembly candidate.
So, you are contesting for House of Assembly, right?
My name is Tokumbo Paul Anyanola, House of Assembly candidate, Bushi 2020. I was giving the appointment with that colleague Shishi. I swear with my life, they didn't collect 1 naira from her. But I'm happy. You that are supporting me, all the men are supporting me, all the are supporting me. It's over the grace of God. Like in Lagos State for supporting obedience.
Guys, you see, the love is pure. The love is pure, people. The love is pure. It did no great on my head. Now you be part of security.
Yes, I am.
Well done, well done, well done. Well done, everybody.
We've been doing marvelously well. We've been listening to Gen.
Well done, everybody.
We appreciate it.
For those of you who have not subscribed to JJ Media TV, please do. How can it be that we are over 1,000 people, only 348 waiting now? If we know they give shishi, make we know they give like now, waiting. And thank you for those of you who have bought pure water for us by means of supporting us. Well done. You see how organized the obedience are. You come rally, see people there. You see people seated. This is not agbadonized, this is not emilukanized, and this is not mechanized. So, and we are not bababluing people. We are live and direct, and we are not bababluing. So, you guys, you see, the love is organic. The love is organic. You know, you see, Obi-Datti for president.
Nobody can receive the president.
Yes, so. Yes, so. If you are not subscribed to JJ Media TV, you're missing.
We need obedience. In this religion now, we don't want the Yahoo party. We don't want any stupid people that tell us
What you want to hear? Nobody will enter us. We wait for life.
Now so.
I'm your fan for YouTube.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. And then look at my camera. Okay. So I'm with you today. Nice one.
For my family, for my friends, for my generation of four.
Jump knuckle, jump knuckle. Shegu. Hold on. So, you are the guy, you see, guys, when we tell you, say today, we prepare, prepare. We get plenty cameras, we get drone. So we go show the world, say, na neck pressing, with the press neck. No, na carnival, we'll be waiting the rally. We won't do presidential, in fact, we have started celebrating. So many of you, guys watching online. We are now 1,200. No, we are testing the mic. We are now 1,200. So what you do for me, if 1,000 of you share this, we will reach 2,000 now. If 1,000 of you share this, we will reach 2,000. So what we're going to do, make we share them. Make una share. You want to share? Tell me where you're watching from. If you have anything to say it with super sticker, super chat. I'll read it out. Okay, let's make it happen. Princess, we are live. And this is the man. This is the man where we say everything where you see here, all these things, now the man where they in charge here. Well done, well done, well done. Would they see your hand? Would they see your hand? So the man you just saw now him they in charge of this stage. And he has done this in everywhere PO goes. He provides the stage. You see, Labour Party stage, you know they fall. You know they fall because like other people's stage. You know why? Because their own stage made sense. Now this is the DG of the campaign. You see the DG there, make I go DG. Make I go meet DG. And they go meet DG now. I go tell DJ make DJ. I'm actually live. There's a video TV here. So this, I am here with the DJ of the campaign. DJ, this is the last campaign, and we are shutting down Lagos. What's your impression so far? Thank you very much. So, DJ, when are we expecting His Excellency? What time? In the next 1 hour, 30 minutes, or in about an hour? So, guys, you know they say, and what's the time now? So, we still have an hour to wait, but the energy here is pure. This is the DJ of the campaign, the man behind the wheels. You do not see him anyhow. So, you, about 1,500 of Nigerians watching from all over the world, you are looking at the DJ of the campaign, and he's showing his and he's sending his love to you. DG, thank you once more. So it's how we roll. This is the DG of the campaign. The energy is raw. The energy is raw, people. So when we say, we dey press neck, we know the joke. Now neck we dey press. Now neck we dey press, eh? We know. Some of come. We not even reach one. We not even reach 1,500 people. Make we do a 2,000. From 2,000, we do a 3. People, just share. Sadly, you can't hear DJ. Okay, what I'm going to do? I'll have an interview with DJ. When we get back to Abuja next week, I promise you that I will have an interview with him. I know he's busy. Me himself, we are busy. But when we get back to Abuja, I'll have an interview with him. So, guys, this is how we roll. Labour Party is organic. Everybody's a volunteer. Come on now, una bewitch. 500 likes. Show love now. Nah. People, what want to do like this? Show love. Let me show love. Guys, show love, show love, show love, show love. So guys, show love now. Show love, show love, show love, show love. I dey read comments, but comments plenty. Show love with, show love, show love, show love. And remember, on the 18th to 18th, next week Saturday, 1 week from today, Obi-Datti will shut down Nigeria globally. We go here, London, New York, Germany, Lagos, Abuja, Akwa Ibom, Anambra, everywhere we will shut down. We call it the 774. That is the 774 local government rally. So guys, it's going to be bad. And be rest assured that in Genje Media, we'll have our affiliates, our reporters scattered all over the place. We are going to get you live feed as we did during the 1 million man march. But now, here we are. We started very strong. We must end the campaign very strong. This campaign is beyond Peter. It's beyond Peter Obi. Peter Obi is the product of the organic support that he has. Even if he say he no do again today, we go show him water. The people on the street will say, Organa, lie. He don't pass you. The movement is beyond him now, because if we do anyhow, Nigerians go show him anyhow. See, look at what Nigerians are showing. they do anyhow, they go show them anyhow. So we have a group that just arrived now. Let's see. So you can see the group that just arrived. Show some love, show some love. So it means we know they share the stream, because instead of the stream to the increase, it a decrease. I thought we were getting to 1,005. Okay, oh. If not like that now, if your energy is waning down and you're no longer willing, as I had anticipated, I can go and drink water and I sit down. I've been standing. Should I go? Should I go and sit down? Please make we vote. You know, for Njeje Media and Obedient, we are very democratic. Should I go and rest so that your data will rest, or you don't mind burning your data for P2B? Should I go and rest? Okay, some of you are saying yes. So Igobila saying that the ye have it. No, to go and rest means they see a lot of no. Yes. Why so many people is okay? So many people want me to. Okay, now the people will want me to stop. Now then they say yes. Okay, those of you that want to know, put your no. With super sticker, with super chat. Let's see how many of you who are obediently useful. Oh dear, man. Water don't do. Water. Okay, I should stay. He said no. Yeah, I should go. Okay. 1,500 guys. Let's make it 3,000 now. How about? If 1,500 of us in all the WhatsApp group, you know, share it in all the WhatsApp group, you know. Just click the share button, pick WhatsApp icon, share it in 5 groups. Let them join us. Share it in 5 groups. Let them join us. So if they join us, then it will be better. You know, say now, if we are many, you go to give me energy. You see this song is bad. Now so it pay them, as it depend them, as it pay us, it depend. When I want to see me why they dance that song, Come on, they know they take mouth put fish. They know they take mouth push fish for pot. Arrange jacket tinyazu, arrange John with tinyazu no offer. No be say stay, and they sweat. Una go there inside air condition, many of you, and some of you in Europe, una go there inside the heater. The balance. Some of you are even watching me on your what's it called? On your smart TVs. You just push it, streamcast. Thank you very much. Somebody, wait, make una know they go past. Make I thank somebody. Ofo Tochukwu, thank you very much for the super. Thank you very much for that. So some of you go there now. When I go they take AC. See as me, they sweat like Christmas good. Now obedient will be. Okay. So it means say half of you just they like and stream and they share. Make we push them now, people. Let's go. The obedient will be. He said, God will reward you. Now when okay, God know they pay hotel bills, so now they make me laugh. He said, God will reward me. Guys, all of us, we believe in this. We believe that a new Nigeria is possible with P2B. That's why we are all making these sacrifices. On our own, the flights, the hotels, everything, the securities that you move around with, you know. Okay, let's engage. Guys, let's engage. Where are you watching from? Now, what I will do in the next couple of minutes is to read out where you guys are watching from. All right, let's go. Let's go. If you tweet, if you put in WhatsApp group, share your location. Say, I've shared on Twitter, my location is Ajegule. I've shared on WhatsApp, my location is UAE. All right, let's go, let's go. Thank you very much. Hold on. Thank you very much for Superstar. Madrid, Spain. Bauchi, come, make it. Let me know where you shared first before. Kaduna Delta, Rivers, Canada, UK, Benin, Europe no be country now, haba. If na exam now, you don't fail. Australia, Togo. Hold on. Ija Amaka, thank you very much for the super sticker, super chat. Thank you. Gladio of Okafo. So many of you who are asking questions that how do they do super sticker? You know, in the comment section, you see like a $sign. And that beside that $sign, just click on it. The rest, it will walk you through how you do that. Even if you're in Nigeria, it doesn't matter. Virginia, USA, I like Virginia. Virginia, everybody where they Virginia is a virgin. You know that. I'm telling you now if you don't know. UAE, come on. Location, Plymouth, UK. I like it. That's a beach side. London, congested area. Lagos, Italy, buongiorno. Bauchi, Italy. Frankfurt, liebe Leute, wie geht's euch in Frankfurt? You see, Doha. You guys are making mistake. If in an exam, all of you they fail. You see there, somebody don't. Asapo, thank you very much. If in an exam, when I don't fail, see the ambulance come. People say somebody. Waiting with the do. You see what they tell you now. This son where they hit for Nigeria, no be here. So when I go to eat pizza, they lie for sofa, the recline sofa. Where go they make this? When I don't know what they suffer here. That's why all of us, they para. That's why we want Nigeria to better. I beg, you don't do us. Thank you. Watching from Spain, Hong Kong, Zurich, wie geht's euch, Leute? Watching from PH, Australia, Akwa Ibom, UAE, Abuja, Berlin, Manchester, Kent, England. Guys, I appreciate where you're watching from, but I want you to do this. Say, I've shared it on this platform and I'm watching you from here. So let's know the platform you're sharing it to. Guinea-Bissau. In fact, I could only take, as we know they understand, even Onitsha, Ibadan. Chris Ngogu, thank you for the $5. They say, American people, when P Square go perform, if you want me to dance Kurukere dance, what you go do? If somebody pay better money, I go dance. I go put them for camera. I go show you say I get dancing step. I go even remove my top self. Dallas, Texas. Okay, yes, I will read this one because he got it right what I said. I have shared on WhatsApp. I am watching you from Dortmund, Germany. Dankeschön. Du bist echt ein guter Mensch. Genauso, du hast das alles verstanden. Du hast verstanden. So let me know. I shared it where hold on, too fast. I shared it on Ngenje WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. What's your name? Brother Oluchukwu, thank you. I'm only taking those who tell me where they've shared it. I shared it on support group. Thank you, William Winner. $1,006 people, 1,000 Bahrain. I shared it on Facebook. Thank you. Obedience in Lagos, they shut down. So let's move around. King. King. What? No upset. How you doing? Kilo happen.
On a daily trip, when you are coming down from the Cumberland,
what?
I'm meeting our people during them.
Three people injured.
Yes. And there are more. And DGC. They attacked us. The most serious one is let's get it.
Excuse me. One of the Yeram, the Agbado boys attacked. Hold on.
Hello, sir.
Sorry? So one of the guys, you see that guy there? This is the medical side. The guy on yellow was stabbed, so you see the other guy there with a machete coat also. So that's Tinubu and gang. They are afraid that they will fail. That's why they are doing what they're doing.
In the morning around
You see the guys they stabbed. He's bleeding. So what happened?
I wasn't there.
So what happened?
So you can't tell me now that everybody's calling for rally. Everybody has been there. Nobody has been there. Why are they attacking innocent people?
They've gone.
Here for ordinary rally. Now, if the police coming from Lagos, is there a problem? If you know you are not comfortable for one candidate, why are you attacking other people?
And nobody has a monopoly of power.
Nobody has a monopoly of violence. We are all citizens. Nobody has a Nigerian constitution. You have the right to vote whoever you choose as your candidate. So you can't force me to your candidate. And if I accept that you don't attacking me. Is this part of what you are preaching? Is this part of the election we are talking about? The election is elected policies. We can't take it anymore. All of that should be held accountable.
So you guys, can you hear it now? It's confirmed we have 3 men down, stabbed, and there are more. The second ambulance has left to go and get the rest. So it's quite unfortunate. Bola, what do you go do? Violence, no, they saw violence. From all indications. So, guys. Yeah, there? So, guys. So, it means that many people on their way back, what they are afraid of now is that they might be attacked on their way back. And every good citizen of Nigeria must also, especially those in the opposition, I know many of you are watching, you must call your men to order. This is not cool. There is no way you can keep attacking people that have done you nothing. Bola Medi Tinubu came to Anambra State. No one, not a single soul was attacked. He came and he left and they thanked him, the Anambra, for the hospitality. Anambra sold this Iago and gave it to him. So if you guys are, where are the incidents?
At Adeniji.
Adeniji Jones.
Yes, coming down to this side. There's a bus that's like a truck. They just parked the bus there. Like since yesterday, the bus is not moving, just causing traffic. And people are there stop. They can't go back, they can't go front, and there are a bunch of them there.
Okay.
So they need to clear the road.
So you see the confusion. Bola Tinubu wants to keep course. Guys, our energy, no day here. Guys are angry. They want to go and do something. But you know one thing is, the challenge is that if our boys go out here to do anything, this is what they want. They want to create the narrative that the Obedients are a very disorderly people, right? So the guys are angry, they want to go out. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this platform, if you haven't subscribed, I beg you, just click the like button. I beg now. That one no be paid. Just if you never subscribe, you see the guys are running around. Our guys are running around already. So what we are telling them is that we don't want them, since they are here, let them run here, but not to go out before, because it will cause more trouble. Look, some of them are angry, they want to go out and fight the APC guys. But we have asked them not to do any of such. As they say in my place, what APC is trying to do is to show the world and to say that we are disorderly and that we are disobedient. But obviously, you know we are not. We are very peace-loving people. So, but it's quite unfortunate. We had 3 men down, 2 stabbed in their abdomen, the other in his thigh. You know, that's not cool. Their crime is that they are coming to support a president that they believe in. So what you're looking at here is very simple, to tell you that every other group are there walking around. This is no longer campaign. This is carnival. You see? Carnival. You see the carnival. You see the DJ.
DJ, give on.
So guys, like I said, all APC wants to do, you know, I'm doing this before my camera guys will go live, because there will be, the cameras, we are not supposed to bring them out to be in the hot sun. So my phone might even get heated up, then I may have to stop. But you can see how quietly Obedients are everywhere. People are seated. You can see how quietly people are seated. But obviously, what many people don't understand is that what most Nigerians want is a peaceful and a loving country. They don't care necessarily who is Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Efik, or whatever. People just want to.
Sorry.
How are you? Mazes, okay.
Sorry.
Mazes, okay.
Yes, that's true. I mistake you for Daniel. My name is Pastor Stanley. PRO, PSN, Ondo State.
Ah, okay. You're welcome.
God bless
so
you,
you came from all the way from Ondo?
Yes.
Well done.
The deputy coordinator is around too. Yes, Mr.
Where are you guys?
We are under that canopy.
Okay, I'll come back there again.
All right.
Okay. Animanu na ntie chiom. So this one now obedient to Ogene, ba? Onye Ogene? Ana m anụ na ntị echi ọm. Kedu onye chi mọfụla gị? Guys, when I see him, so if we like that dance, what I just do now, make you show love, I go come back. Hey, you like him? If you like that song, like this video now, like him, share. This is Lagos. This is Carnival. So now, when I see that move where I give them, that move, they know.
To report the scene that happened there.
Yes.
So much happiness.
You see, when I see that move where I show, they know spirit, know they reveal unto you.
I'm hearing information that on their way going in the day, after the rally, they might still want to attack one of them. So I want all these police, they should be aware so that they can.
Sure.
We are starting some strategic points.
Hold on, sorry. Hey. Wait now, these are PCC. Hold on. Okay. Come now. This is the director of finance.
Which means that we're not talking about money yet.
What are you talking?
You want to block everybody.
You don't know who people get here. No, not wait. Come.
We have video evidence to show for the attack of Identity. Okay?
We have video evidence.
You say what?
We have video evidence.
Yes. We are going to show it.
Hold on, let me.
We have it. And they ask us to come to this site.
Can you WhatsApp it?
What we have? We get the live reportage of it. Get the live reportage of it.
Comrade, Adeo, we are live. Lagos is. Una don't put them for fire, ba?
And it stands still as of now.
But they attacked some of our men. No? Very. And we call on APC and the Lagos State government to call a stop to that. Yes. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So I believe this is my brother. It's now Clint. We are live.
Yes, sir.
We are live on the.
We are live and we are alive.
We are here on a mop-up. We have covered the 36 states of the Federation. Some states had us doing three constituencies, the 3 senatorial constituencies. Today we are in Lagos, and Lagos, as the grandfather of Nigeria, is here to provide us with the ground and the basis and the place for a mop-up. Yes. Today we are taking over. It is declared today that PO is the president in waiting of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, you see men here and women. You see them here. We all live. We all live. Hey, Clint, come.
Hey, picture. Picture.
Give on, Clint.
Yes. Clint, come. Hold on.
Can you imagine?
2014, yeah. From that, what's it called? Secretariat.
Yeah.
I was the one.
Can you imagine? Well, nice to see you again. At least we are on again. Don't worry.
It's chop up now.
We have to. You know
Okay, now, so
So
I got-
here
I
we
got-
are.
Yeah.
Now we are live on Injenge Media TV.
All right.
Ginger Media.
Injenge Media, and we are global. Over 2,500 people are watching us now.
Wow. Nice.
So I'm here with my brother Clint the Drunk. And here we are. Clint, what do you have to tell the world?
If you're a Nigerian, then this is our time. This is our time. In fact, I don't know. This is my first time I'm actually getting a PVC.
Okay. Really?
This is my first time of voting. I declared, you saw when I declared it.
In Abuja, yes, I was
See,
there.
this is my PVC. I don't joke with it. See, let me tell you guys, this is our time. Let us reclaim this country.
Yes.
Let's reclaim this country. Let's do the right thing for once in our life. Let's, at least for this once, let's do the right thing. See, deep inside you as a Nigerian, you know that this is the right thing. Deep inside you, you know. Let's do the right thing.
And
I don't know whether any presidential candidate has ever gone to the 36 states before.
But only going to the 36 states. In every state.
And in every
they
state,
have
it goes
three different places. Town hall, women town hall.
Well,
like today, he was in Alaba. From Alaba, he went to student town hall. Now he's in women town hall and he's coming here. In one day.
Wow. In one day, always.
And this evening, he's still going to have meetings with some
He is young enough, he is strong enough, he has the sense, he has the ability. What more are you looking for?
There's something I want to say.
Slate
Sorry,
and everything.
there's something I want to say about Clint. You know, life is funny. You know, like how many years ago, like in Abuja, when Clint came during the campaign for Good Luck Jonathan, and Clint lodged in Sheraton, Nikon Youth, Central area in Abuja. He was so. You have chop up. But you know why I respected you? I respect because you've been fighting for.
But you know already that it's
yes,
and it's
from day one.
Yeah, it's happening in your own eye.
Yes.
I respect you. You are a man that sticks to your word.
Can I tell you guys something?
Stick to your ideology.
Let me tell you something.
I believe in you.
I don't know, I don't care what anybody has to say. I was practically not invited to most of the rallies I went for.
Okay.
You went on your own.
I went on my own. I am here on my own.
Are you sure? No
I
political.
can see.
No,
No need. See, let me tell you this. Let me say this. I will not get anything. I will get anything from life.
Guys, do you know who is here? Now see, you guys have been waiting for him. He's here.
I salute you all.
He salute everybody.
Please,
now we have. Come. Now, you know, you can't just go like that now. You got to stop. You got to say something.
Today is the mother of all rallies. Lagos, you're not falling my hands at all. Forget about these miscreants that creating trouble around some places. We are here to overcome. We are here to take over Lagos.
That's it.
I think you go and rest. You're tired. God bless you all.
Now, I represent the Alimosho local government in Lagos State, and of course, as you can see, that the Lagos State youth, we are solidly behind Peter Obi. Why? Because we need a new Nigeria. We need a new Nigeria, a Nigeria where, you know, a bag of rice is sold for 7,500.
Bag of rice.
Wait,
talk of
Clint,
bag of rice.
wait.
The only bank working now is Power Bank.
Clint, wait.
Clint, you don't spoil market. Is it the only bank working?
You know,
8 years older than me.
guys.
Age rate of his daughter.
Good day, sir.
How are you doing?
Do you know we who have here the legend himself? The legend himself.
The obedient T-Mac.
You know who is this one? You know, growing up, I used to listen to Don Moore, right? And you know that flute that he plays, unbelievable. And this is the legend here.
Do you remember my song?
Legend of all time.
Fly, Robin, fly up to the sky.
Exactly. So it's a collection of legends who have conscience to say that a new Nigeria is possible, and they are not only living it, they are showing it.
That's right.
Thank you for being with us.
No, it is
So,
the only way to go.
what's your impression of the Labour Party at this election? What do you think about Labour Party? What do you think about P2B as the incoming president?
Everybody is trying. I know the restraints, but I see the enthusiasm and the willpower behind every obedience, and that will change Nigeria.
Yes.
Simple.
And that's the force we need to change Nigeria.
That's right.
That's the force we need to change
honest
Nigeria.
force.
The honest force.
Yes.
Yeah, the honest force.
Yes.
Thank
Can
you
move
very much.
anything.
Thank you. God bless you.
So you've just basically spoken to T-Man. Many of you, if you're old enough, you will know that when you listen to Don Simon, he's an American singer, gospel singer. What happens is, don't you wanna be a part of the kingdom? Don't you wanna be a part of the kingdom? You know that song? He's the one that plays the flute there. He's a legend. When you talk about a living legend, this guy is a legend. And everyone is obedient. So you, sitting at home, what are you waiting for? Look at what is happening. Look, people. Yes, guys, I meant Don Simon, Ron Kennedy. Sorry, he played with Ron Kennedy. That's correct. Sorry. Wait, though, we never start though. We are just testing the mic, guys. We are just testing the mic. Now, mic with the test though. Hold on. So guys, let me leave here. Let me do this here. Udo. So guys, we are still live. Let me go and speak to the people because this is a platform of the people. The people matters. The Labour Party is for the people. Njenje Media is for the people. So for those of you who haven't subscribed to Njenje Media, go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to Njenje Media TV, Njenje Media TV, we are live now on Njenje Media TV on YouTube. Okay. Njenje Media, yes. NJE. So guys, may we meet you all. Yes. You're all obedient.
Yes.
So are you,
That's why we're under the sun.
which part of Lagos are you guys coming from? Huh? Imo coming from Amodof. Oshodi Solo. Are you sure? Okay. Huh? Did they write down? In the media TV, we are live. Now you see, I mean, they watch yourself now. You don't sweet you. You don't go to television, they watch yourself. You see, you don't sweet them. See, you don't watch yourself now. So go to Ndenjeli. You see, Oshodi. So. I go, okay.
Get your BBC. Get your BBC.
One love everyone. You see, now what people. So make sure you are subscribed to JJ Media TV.
I am your top fan.
Make sure.
I call my wife now,
make it they look you because we are live. So your wife go there. Make you notice say you don't go another place. Because as I see your face, it be like sometimes you know what I mean. You see guy man. So he won't use Ndenje cover up now. Madam, see where I there. I there for TV, oh. Guy man, no wala. Ndenje Media TV. So if you are not subscribed, go there now. So which part of Lagos are you guys coming from? Oshodi Solo. All of you?
Yes.
Wow. Well done, everybody. Well done. I guess you guys love the energy. So guys, we may have to go off and take some water. What happened to him? What happened to him?
Our people is trekking down here because it's shut down.
Is it?
I'm telling you, people don't cannot give them like this.
See
Let us do this now.
See people. Guys, you see we are everywhere. So what is going to happen, guys? So guys, let me do a recap. So guys, let me do a recap. What you're watching now is an organic crowd that came for the Labour Party. P2B has shut down Lagos. In fact, P2B has closed down Lagos. We are getting feed and pictures now. He is walking on foot. Lagos is closed down. After today, the remaining are the cassava and Enyang lovers. That after today, all of them want to sit down. The younger ones are still running around, right? Before now, you spoke to our brother Clint the drunk, the man that is drunk even without drinking. Before now, you spoke to Tanko Yanusa, the LP PCC spokesperson. Before now, you also spoke to Valentine Ozibo, Special Assistant to His Excellency Mr. Peter Obi on strategy and digital technology. Now you're speaking to Mazes, okay? The MD CEO in the Media Group. All we do, and we do what we do, the reason why we do that is because it's what we love. We want a better. So I think we are back on. We no shake, no shaking. We are here. I mean to change a device. The battery on this device is running low, so I need to turn on my 4G and use a different device. So we are, but be that as it may, please make sure you subscribe to this platform because we have 3 cameras, video mixers. You know, we have our studio equipment here. We are going to be giving you live stream as you have never seen before. Like we did in Abuja, the sound clear. Because of this event, I bought an iPhone 14 Pro Max dedicated to giving you the clarity that you're seeing now. This one not be waiting Android they do. Android for don't catch fire. It's just because we want to set this place ablaze, not in a negative manner. We are doing a lot. So people, the obedience were attacked today. 3 people brought in here were stabbed, 1 person macheted, and the others, they've gone in to bring them, but we don't know how many. So what we want to use this medium to do is to call on Lagos State Government, Sanwo-Olu, the Mongo Park of Lagos State, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the one who discovered Lagos, the discoverer and the discoveree, the one who built hospitals in Lagos State and made Lagos State the envy of the world, yet he goes to London and Paris for his medicals. That's how wonderful he has built Lagos and the faith he has in that which he built. We begrudge him not. Some pastors say that we call them the pampas wearing ones. You know, when we get old, of course, bodies become weaker, or parts of our bodies become weaker. It's normal. But there comes a time you respect yourself. If my dad was at that age and wanting to become the president of a country, I would say, Papa, I beg, go and rest. This job is not for we's and we wears. Pampa wearers and pampa we wears. You know, say we're going to add a little violence. If not, when Buhari came, many of us shouted. He told you guys, we will bring Nigeria from top to bottom. You didn't know he was prophesying. I know, I made it the theme of my intro. I said that Buhari is going to bring us down. Now see, we have come from tough. Now we're going bottom. We are at the bottom. We are looking to dig ground and enter more. That is where you are. So guys, thank you. This live stream can only happen on Ginger Media TV. Share, like. If you want to log off to save your internet, you can do that. Come back in the next 30 minutes. Here, our principal is close by. We have P Square here. P Square is going to perform for us. P Square is going to perform for us. And we are going to be here. We have P Square. We have a Yoruba band, the Fiji band. We have J. Martins. We have African China. We have, a couple of others. Couple of upcoming artists. When the event starts, you know why this is a carnival? We've been live now for over 2 hours. We'll be known for over 2 hours. Because remember that we stopped, and we started. When I received a call, and some of you complained that the network wasn't, you can't hear me, then I had to restart. So guys, even myself, even me, I've been standing. If I look at my steps, as of now, I think I've done about 28,000 steps, and the day is not even half spent. So I don't try, I don't sweat. All the palm wine I drink for the past 2 weeks, I don't sweat and come out. So that means I will need to refill at some point. Akin, come. Akin. Stay there. No, stay there. This is Akin, the Vuvulance man on Twitter space. Akin Tollgate in the view. So the soccer generation, you see him? That is the man, Ciao. You see? This is the NSAS generation. They want to kick off. We want to kick off now, guys. The love is too much. You see the car coming? He is quietly coming in. See that Land Cruiser over there? They are quietly coming in. Many people don't know what's happening now. So let's turn. The band is. When we start properly, I would hand over to the cameramen because they will go live. They will go live properly. Yeah, that's why it happen. So when we start, people, as I said, we'll be handing over to the other 3 cameras, informed, entertained, and keep us here to know that this is happening. Okay? So, yeah. Thank you very much. Nlofort Kama, thank you very much. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you for the $20. Thank you. Thank you. This is the first super chat from Norton Nlofort Kamara. Thank you. We've won someone today. Thank you for the $20. We appreciate everything you guys have done. We appreciate everything you guys are doing. This is the love. So guys, we need to get back on. And for us to get back on and hit over 2,000, 3,000, let's share this stream. Remember, we got to 3,000 before. Can we do that? Una know who they come now. Una know who they come.
Look at him, you feel like this guy is
Don't worry, in Aisha they come. So I'll bring Aisha to us.
Our mama for life.
So many of you who know, say Aisha they come. So I'll be getting Aisha to us. You see her? Aisha, come. Aisha, come. So this is Aisha here now.
We don't show we are in Lagos State, and we are hearing of the violence against our supporters.
Yes.
We will not give up.
They brought about 10 people here.
It's been crazy. We're not going to give. What they're trying to do is to use violence. And you know, these people who are afraid of losing, they always resort to violence. But we will not be intimidated by that violence. Continue to stand for the right thing. And on February 25th, 2023, we're going to come out and we vote for LP. The real owners of Nigeria, the citizens of Nigeria, we make themselves head loud and clear, and they will hear us clearly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We love you. We love you.
So, you're not supposed to show us love. Where is my own?
Directors.
He's already wearing chocolate.
Wait, you're not
wearing chocolate.
I beg, make una leave me. He said they wear Sokoto. What did they look for Sokoto? They inside.
Where did they look for Sokoto? They inside Sokoto.
Come, no, seriously, wait my own now.
No, this is for Dr. Doyin, this is for Paris. And they gave it to me today.
Okay. But I should get one anyway. You see, one love.
Thank you so much.
One love. That's Aisha. You see the love? Everywhere don't para. Everywhere don't para. Well done. Shegun, are you guys ready to go live, please? Are you guys ready? What do you mean? How? Huh? Maybe smile, you guess so.
I'm trying to check.
They don't thief my tag, sir. Sorry? Hold on.
Thank you for the good job you're doing.
Yes, so I know if it leave my people. When I have over 2,000 people watching, so we can't afford to fail them. No, yeah. No. Who?
You know, for Kimby.
Oh.
When you say I don't come with my camera.
Man, I don't do.
You know the sisters?
Huh?
You know the sisters?
I'll tell you. What I need now, na Henneken. So guys, we are here. Share now. For many of you who has given us, thank you very much. Let's go back and see those that have supported us. Then we'll say thank you to them. They don't steal my tag. Obi never come, he don't soak like this. What's it go happen when Obi come? Thank you, our wife, Margaret. That's okay. Thank you very much. So for many of you asking if the obedience were attacked, yes. I showed yes earlier when 3 casualties were brought in, 2 stabbed in their abdomen, 1 in his thigh, the other with a machete cut. See. Hey, you don't start. This one don't carry village masquerade.
You don't see the pot. You don't see the pot.
Guys, we are running out of data. We need to go get another 50 or 60 gigabytes so that we can continue. We are running out of data, people. Please like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Tell us where you're watching us from. Like, share, subscribe. Just tell us. I shared in WhatsApp group, and I am watching from Hong Kong, Germany, Australia. I shared in XYZ. Let's go, people. Let's go. Let's go. No, don't worry. No, don't leave. So let's go. Watching from Accra, Ebonyi, Birmingham, UK. Stay safe. Guys, we are staying. We are doing our best to stay safe. We have the big men coming in. That's okay. Okay, Zibe. Okay, Zibe there. A billionaire in any currency. The security are having a hard time controlling the crowd. But waiting now, they must control crowd. You never enter a show like this. What will then happen when PO comes? Oga, he said, why didn't I load data well? This is actually not the proper live stream. The proper live stream is coming. That one we are doing with cameras. We have 3 cameras. You see my in-law, Eze Bunafo. Eze Bunafo. Eze Bunafo. Eze Bunafo. Thank you. Eze Bunafo.
I salute you.
Yes, sir. Mba ọ maka na eji m aka I know life.
We are all obedient.
Sorry. And I hope now everybody's fine.
Yeah. I understand.
All
right? I'm enjoying that now.
Thank you. I'm a second one.
Thank you. Get it, rich remember all that.
So guys, Hey. How do you go card? People. Guys, a new Nigeria is possible. Hey! Baba! You see, you don't change, yo. You don't enter war room. You don't enter war room. See ya. Now the same man who I speak to before, this is Dr. Tanko Yanusa, the only man, the mouthpiece of the Obi-Datti presidential campaign. The man will be say, if he say, na so he be, na so he be. Huh?
We are not afraid. We cannot be intimidated. This Nigeria is our own and collectively we will take it.
Yawa! Na so it be, people. Na so it be. So let's go back to the backstage. So why I'm doing this is when the camera go on, the cameras are static. You will not be able to see exactly what is happening backstage. Diokpa. How did she learn that?
I saw Aisha in Kidney her.
Oh, okay.
She was like, that's not mercy, that's not true. Mommy, I said that.
Where did she see it?
I made a video, I sent it to her.
Okay.
And she was like, is that not mercy? No, that's not true.
Yeah.
I was like, with you when I was
made a video, then I had to send it to her. You get to Lagos for this. You can get to see it. You can get to see I'll be your contact.
Help! How you doing? Come. No, stay. So this is, yeah, Ambassador Constantine. So that's what be obedient and useful, okay? Yeah, conflict, we are winning. Get your troops ready. We are taking over this country.
I would ask you 75K. I bet we need that phone to come back. It's on a foreign guest. I bet Alright, so altogether this is already started. If you're here, you are super obedient. If you are here, you are super obedient. But don't be sorry for them also. Don't be sorry for them also. They don't close Rucho. They don't close Rucho. They don't close Rucho. If you're doing the fire, if you're doing the team, 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 Charles okay. Charles okay. Charles okay. Alright, so we're about to get the show started. Introducing Band Hits, the most incredible band in Lagos, here to show us nice music. Obedient.